All right, day 19, trading Topstep, still in the combine. The account is down about $1,000 from the 50K base. I am looking for a little bit of a long here, but I'm getting in late. I need to mark up the chart. There we go. Yesterday, I overtraded, ended up being profitable, which is fine. So today I'd like to just come back to being a little patient, just trying to grab one good trade. And the mistake from yesterday, or a mistake from yesterday to today, is I didn't end up following this, and this was a massive move. So this has happened twice now where I've gotten out of a trade a little early, and then it proceeded to run for the rest of the day. I need to find a way to stay. I need to find a way to know when to stay versus getting out a little early. Because those 2 days, had I stayed a little longer, not even for the full move, just a little bit longer, I probably would be close to passing, or probably the up 2K by now rather than being down 1K. So it makes a big difference. It makes a big difference capturing more of these moves. It's something I got to work on in my trading. So I kind of like that we are failing to go lower using this area as support, or sorry, resistance right now. All right, I think we can run back to top of range.
Order filled.
Without breaking too far below. So I learned yesterday that the max loss, I thought when the max loss hit, it would just auto liquidate. But that's not the case. So can dip below the max loss. I just imagine if I close a trade below the max loss or end the day below the max loss, then that would be it in terms of the account. So the account is still on the rails in terms of it's not looking fantastic. But we'll see. So I got long right at the high. That's always it feels bad. But it looked like if it starts going, this is a good move that I'd like to be a part of. Now I can dip below my max loss, but I'm going to assume that I can't. If I close below my max loss, I'm going to assume that that's it. So that's actually not a great. I like this bounce. So I like the trade, but my location is just horrendous. I gotta get a take profit down here. Oof.
Order filled.
Oh. Okay, let's see. Huh, that's interesting. Okay, so I guess if it dips below the max loss, it does, or it can liquidate it. That's interesting because yesterday I dipped below it. Maybe there's a margin. Not really sure. But all right, that is run number one. So I will make a big recap of this, lessons learned, things to try in the future, and be back to give it another go.